All right, this is going to be so unscripted. I've never filmed a video that I've not cut, not edited. It's just straight a video. So what's going on is I'm not cutting this video. God, this is hard. I'm taking a Jeep apart and I cut a pillar out for a guy. And this Jeep is not 100% rust free, but for right now, we're going to be talking about panels, pillars down there. And what I wanted to say is I just learned yesterday, I cannot physically turn the ads off. If I could turn the ads off, I would, because this is for, well, I mean, it's for y'all's benefit too, because y'all need the parts. I got the parts. But if I turn them off because something's gruesome or blood or cussing, I just turn the ads off. Well, YouTube puts their own ads and makes money. So I might as well leave them on and then make 10 bucks. So let's get straight to it. Not cutting this video. So I cut a pillar out, and I don't typically have rusty stuff, but I've seen stuff up north that is like crazy rusty, but I need to know what y'all need. And you can look, not changing. It is 5 o'clock and it's not Thursday, it's Wednesday. So this video should come out in like an hour, maybe 2 hours. But we got a totaled out Jeep. It's wrecked. I've got some pictures, but I'm not editing the video so you won't see them. But you can see that is like caved in. It's total. I mean, somebody somewhere could have fixed it, but the guy has smashed the roof in. Yeah. What I need to know is, what do y'all need when it comes to rust? Got the plasma cutter, and like, I know somebody's already been messing me about this. The old guy made him mad because I wouldn't cut it out, but here I am. If that was good, I would cut it out. I plan on, when I get good ones in here that's not like this, probably cut this piece and sell it. And then I'll probably cut like straight down the frame. Let's see, straight down this right here, and then that. And I'll probably sell this as a part, and then I'll probably cut right here. I don't know, but I gotta get a good one. Like I said, this whole video is literally off your comments, so I will be reading the comments. Try to avoid asking questions. Help me out. But I know somebody asked about a roof. I don't know if there's, I mean, if you're local and need a roof and willing to drive, I'll cut a roof off. I just don't think I'm ever going to mess with shipping big stuff. That's what we realized today. Like motors, axles, that's the motor out of the Jeep. We'll just walk over here because we're live, basically. It broke all this stuff. So this will be a cool video coming, and then y'all ain't supposed to see that, but I'll let you because you're watching this video. But all right, not cutting the video. Where was I at? Don't forget about my birthday, right? Yeah, Dex is struggling. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, motors, roofs, all that stuff. Like, I'm locally to a lot of people, and I think if I post it on a website, local pickup only, I'll sell stuff quick enough. So I'm sorry, that's just the truth. You can tell we're as busy as me and my wife can be, and that's just all it's ever going to be. Back to the Jeep. So roofs are coming, not yet. But I have had a guy ask about a pillar. I mean, I think you would just cut it more area than you need and then sell the pillar. I know somebody's asked about hinges, and then somebody asked about right in this area. So I don't know if you should sell this as an area and then leave that. And then this one's got good rockers, but I smushed it in on the lift. But I still think you could come right down through there and then maybe come right across there, and then you could sell that, or you could sell that, or you could sell it as a whole. I don't know. I don't deal in rust. That's the point of the video. So I feel like this part, there must be an aftermarket kit, because I feel like by now somebody would have asked about it, and nobody's asked. But yeah, not cutting the video. I don't know whether to sell the pillars individually or try to cut out this quarter, because this quarter's good. I mean, even if there might be a dent down there, but that's covered up with a thing. So yeah, that. And then I know a guy's asked about the floor, which would be kind of tricky because that's the frame. So if we go under here, I'm telling y'all it's rusty, and it's not even rusty at all. But yeah, you can see it's been wrecked in the back and the front. So this frame, no bueno. But I'm thinking, like I said, in the summer, we'll flip these over, the wrecks, and just cut right up across there, and then cut all this stuff the best I can. I'll get better and figure out what I'm doing as far as cutting, but I'll be literally the only person to sell frames for Cherokee. So I know it's possible, but not editing the video. I think floors, I think I could cut and then come down the frame and you would get this piece, but let's see. Yeah, right there you can see where that's wrecked, but I mean, you could still beat that out. And this way, that's wrecked. That's a good pillar. That's usable. I think I'm only going to sell passenger hinges because you can flip them over and use them on the other side, and the passengers have zero wear on them. Oh, dang, I'm not editing this video, but I'm trying to think if there's anything I got to say. I filmed this short. I ain't gonna waste your time. If I can keep this under 6 minutes, you might not have to watch an ad. So yeah, let's just end it. Y'all let me know. I know this area, a pillar would be cheaper. I mean, these ain't gonna be cheap, but this is a lot of effort for me getting these things out of here. But it's worth it for your end. In this area, where do I need to cut here? Should I cut the hinges, leave the pillar, leave this one cap? We'll get the frames next summer. Oh, floor pans. That Jeep actually needs a floor pan, so this floor pan is probably going in that Jeep right there. Y'all, okay, if y'all are watching this, y'all are getting a sneak peek. Rock sliders, floors cut out. I'm fixing to tie this bar to this bar as soon as this mess is out of the shop. So I feel like that's enough of me rambling. I've never done this. This is crazy. I wish I would have went live, but as far as the floor pans go, I think I'm just going to do them in whatever is in the shop. Like if I get one that's blah 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 blah, not editing the video, see this one's crinkled right there, so I might just cut. You can see it's got a little rust, but cut whatever's good, put a part number on it. If it sells, it sells. If it don't, yeah, see the hood is wrecked. So y'all let me know what areas are needed, what you would buy, what would help you out. And I think I figured out why the roofs are going bad. I was trying to cut them out with that jiggly saw, and I realized when you're jiggling, you're wearing into that material. And of course, the guy putting the windshield in isn't going to care because he's just putting windshield in. Then it's bare metal and it rusts. So that's it. There's actually a full video I've got filmed that explains all this. I'm out of breath. Parts, yeah. So under 8 minutes, appreciate it. I need your comment. Let me know rusty stuff. We'll probably do this again when we get another Jeep in. Thank you. Have a good day. Unedited. 8 minutes. Good job, Dexter.